Hey everyone, Brian Foucher with the Elevation Group, and I want to ask you a question. Do you want to have more cash in your pocket right now here today? Well, of course you do, right? We all want to have more cash, more money in our pockets right away. And in fact, I was talking to one of our students, one of our coaching students here this week, and the same thing came up. This person said, hey Brian, I need to have more money in my pocket, in my bank here, in 30 days or 60 days. What can I do? Can I go learn a new skill set? Can I take this $3,000 I have set aside? Can I take that and double that money? Can I put it into some strategy and double that money in 30 days? And so when we talked with this person about this, here's what we said. Okay, if you go do this, if you go learn that new skill, you're going to spend time and energy to learn a new skill set that may or may not have a return in 30 or 60 days. Typically, it takes some time to actually get that skill set to have a return, right? To set up that business and get that thing cranking so you can get some money coming in. Or take that $3,000 and invest it. What are you going to invest into that's going to double your return? Well, guess what? If that worked, everybody would do that, right? So the only way to do that is maybe take on some high risk. Maybe invest it in cryptocurrencies. Well, if you don't know how to invest in crypto, you might lose that money. So at the end of those 30 days, those 60 days, that person, where are they going to be at? Well, they might still be learning a new skill set. They may have wasted, 10, 50 hours they can't get back. Maybe they invested that $3,000 into a strategy like cryptocurrencies they don't understand, and they'll lose the money. And they'll be back where they were. They'll have not got ahead. They don't have any more money, right? Maybe they lost some money. So what's the easiest way to get cash right now here today? Well, it's to not ignore your current source of income. Now, this person, they had a source of income, but they weren't focused on it, right? They wanted to leave that job and go do something else. So they were focused on, how do I go do something else, but I need money today as well. Well, guess what? Maximize your current source of income is the easiest way to put more money in your pocket right now, right? Maximize that. Focus on what you're currently doing for revenue, whether it's a job, a business, an employer, whatever you're doing. How do you maximize that? How do you squeeze every drop out of what you're currently doing to get more money in your pocket right now? Because then you can focus on the other job or the skill set or learning how to invest in another asset class, because now you have the time because you're thinking in abundance versus scarcity. So maximize what you currently are doing for income to get every resource out of that as you possibly can to get more money in your pocket right now. That is the easiest way. That is the path of least resistance to putting more money in your pocket today. So with that, I'm Brian Foucher, Elevation Group. If you want to follow us and learn what we do here at EVG, go to theelevationgroup.com and join us on the inside. Talk to you later. Bye.